Hi guys. Hey, it's New Year's Eve and I am working on my Vaterra Ascender. Uh, Unfortunately, I broke a drive shaft a while back and cannot find them anywhere. Um, so what I did was I took a bearing apart, um, took the outer race of it. Took some work to do it, but what happened was it cracked like a V around where the pin comes in. So I took the outer race and put it in there with the wire that wrapped around the um, the outdrive right there. Anyway, the stock wire, and then took some solder and soldered it up. So far, so good. I'm going to smooth it out a little bit here, so it fits back in the axle okay. But yeah, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I ended up also putting a uh, little grub screw in there to keep that pin from moving back and forth. You know, up and down where it might end up breaking that more where it's already broke, but who knows? We'll see if it works. I don't know. Worst gonna do is fail and I end up having to keep trying to find one online. But want to get this thing back on four wheels and love this thing. Just want to have it four-wheel drive because three-wheel drive it drives kind of funny. So, but anyway, yeah, I don't know if this will work or not. But like I said, I just brake cleaned the heck out of it and soldered it up. And like I said, I don't know if it'll stay or not. But if it does, great. If it doesn't, then back to the old drawing board. There's just enough clearance with that race. The outer part of the bearing, that it clears the wheel assembly. So we'll see if it works. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing for my New Year's Eve, trying to get my old Vaterra back rolling again, because I really wish I could come out with parts and stuff for these again. I love this truck, and it's been down for way too long. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Gotta get this disaster of a table cleaned up too, but I'm working on too many damn projects at one time. But this was number one. I want to get this baby back rolling again. So, well guys, like I said, it's New Year's Eve, and I want to wish each and every one of you guys one heck of a great 2025 coming up. And hopefully it's better than 2024, and just stay safe, guys. Take care, and I guess we'll find out later on down the road if this repair worked or not. We'll see. So, thanks, guys. Take care. Happy New Year's.